scoot speed for a second. Lift ride after I got the guy's hat for him. 6-man. Guess I am one person on the 6-man. Kamikaze beginner. Just for reference, the camera is facing straight ahead right now. But, still doesn't justify how steep this is. Now we're cresting the top. Let's slow it down. And it'll be the top we're going to see here in a second. Camera's still at the same angle. Give you an idea. And we're about, pretty much level with the top. Here's the terrain, one of the terrain parts anyway.